Welcome to another business video by Nan. Today we're going to be talking about the supply chain. And we know that the supply chain is from the raw material to the finished product. And so most people think that there are 6 steps to the supply chain. Now the supply chain is very important for companies because they're always looking at how to reduce expenses. And so expenses can be reduced in one of these parts of the supply chain. And of course, a chain is kind of a series of events or a process. So the very first step in our supply chain, of course, is the raw materials. So let's say that our finished product is cereal. And the cereal a lot of times is made out of corn or wheat or oatmeal. So this is the raw material, or this is the agriculture or the farm. After that, the next step, it goes to the supplier or the processor. Now the processor is not quite the manufacturer. The supplier or processor is just making the raw material into an easier form for the factory or the manufacturer. And normally the supplier is very close to where the raw materials are found. After that, after it is processed slightly, it is sent to the factory or the manufacturer. Now the manufacturer is often very close to where they would find the consumer or customer or client. And here, of course, the product is manufactured, it's processed further, and it is packaged. After it is packaged, it of course goes to the distribution, which is the logistics, and can be sent by train, by boat or ship, or by plane. And it is then distributed to probably a warehouse where they would keep the stock or goods, or it is sent directly to the store or outlet, in this case a supermarket because it's cereal, and it is called a retailer. So retailers are supermarkets, retailer are clothing shops, anyone who's selling a product directly to the public. And so then the retailer, the shopper, is buying it, and then after that it goes to the consumer, and the consumer takes it home, and in this case it's cereal, so therefore he eats up his cereal. So these are the 6 steps to the supply chain: raw materials, supplier, processor, number 3, manufacturer, number 4, distribution, number 5, the retailer or store, and finally the customer or the client. That's today's lesson on the supply chain.